Okay, I'm normal. Well, yeah, sort of. Okay, so it was quite a while since I uploaded, and I know it's my fault, and I am very, very sorry for that, but I hope it won't happen anytime again, ever in my life. I hope. Anyways, today, as you see, amazing weather, it's raining all day long, and I thought what I can do because I am at home, and yes, I finished uni of those 2 years and I have my lovely summer vacation now till the third year, so I have some more time to create stuff. And I thought, why not to make something beautiful? And I thought, because it's summer, I want something light, and even though I'm not wearing earrings myself because I have holes, I thought, these can be nice gifts. So, yeah, today we're gonna make Monstera earrings, and it's gonna be very, very easy using air dry clay. So, let's get started. So let's start as usual. I just kneaded my clay a little bit and I'm using rolling pin or something like that just to flatten it out. And saying that, I don't like to use my pasta machine for air dry clay just because it leaves some residue and I really don't like that. Also, because I am using such a difficult shape to cut, which is Monstera leaf, I decided to use glass surface so my clay sticks firmly to the glass and doesn't stick to the shape, and I don't need to have a hard time taking it out. And having just a little bit of the accident here, but not everyone is perfect. Okay, I just ruined it. Let's start again with this one. So what is good about air dry clay is just like when I am pressing my shapes and once I remove the excess clay, I don't need to do anything at all, just wait until it's dry. Okay, and now we have the fun part, which is painting. And well, yes, it is air dry clay and I'm using watercolors. Is it the perfect solution? No, but this is the only way I can possibly achieve the effect I wanted. So basically, you can do that, even though if you don't want to use resin with it, or you don't like resin, you don't have it, you don't know how to use it, just better use acrylic paint instead, because if you're gonna use only watercolors and you're not gonna do anything for coating and for protecting the surface, your earrings probably just melt in the rain, and I'm serious about it. Well, some people using Mod Podge, but I am not a big fan of it, so if you want to try it, but I don't know, so I can't recommend it myself. And now I wanted to add some glam to my earrings, so I'm using gold ink just to dab it a little bit and give some sparkliness. And also don't forget to do the other side because it will be visible. when all the paint is dry, I am finally applying the resin. And I like to be very careful with this because I learned my lesson before. If I will put too much resin at once, they will go into those gaps and it will be impossible to take it out later, and you will end up breaking the leaves and your design will be ruined. If you're doing the same thing, if you're doing something more simple, carry on and put the whole blob of resin if you're using that at once. I don't care. Well, you should care. So think about what's the best for you. This is what I meant. And I want to repeat myself, you must use resin if you're doing exactly the same thing as I'm doing, if you're using air dry clay and watercolors and gold ink. Just because if someone, your friend, will go with these earrings in the rain, all the color may just wash off because it will have no protection. Well, we know if you would put some water on watercolor painting, it will be ruined. You know that. So this is gonna be exactly the same thing. So yeah, please use resin if you can. If you cannot use resin, well, use acrylic paint then. When the resin coating is cured now and the leaves are completely hard and nice and glossy and shiny, we can start putting them on the actual earrings. And for a change now, I'm not using ear wire, I'm using hoops because I think, it's just a little bit more summery and more light feel to it. So yeah, this is my design, and I'm just very simply opening the hooks and I am sliding the earrings through the hole, and that's it, it's done. It's the easiest earrings in my life. Okay, so now I'm looking for honest opinion. Look at them. These are amazing. I mean, I really like them, and I'm really sad now that I don't have normal ear holes, that I have tunnels, but I can sort out something. And yeah, these lovely earrings gonna go into my Etsy shop sometime very soon, because I am planning to have a huge shop update in the end of June. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to ask them in the comments. I'm very happy to answer. And if you have any suggestions for me, well, also leave a comment, and don't forget to press this button and subscribe for my channel. And thank you for watching again, and see you next time. Bye!